Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing and assembling the 2023 Spirit Halloween Darling Dolly. I picked her up at my local spirit store the other day, and yeah, her scare is very effective, and the way she drops down from like 7 feet to eye level is just so startling and so scary. Anyways, but yeah, this is what it looks like when you first open the box. Not much. Just see some clothes, I think. Well, I'm probably gonna need to slide this all out. Alright. Oh yeah, I can see a fair bit of stuff in here, actually. I really hope this unboxing isn't gonna be too hard. I'm sure her setup is gonna be not the most fun though. Which isn't that bad because oh yeah, it's kind of its own. Alright. Yeah. That is always so satisfying. Alright, so the first thing we got here is instructions, and looks to be the snap lock remover and some pins. Alright, so now I'll turn this over. Oh yeah, everything's just coming all out. Alright, so the first step was to attach the two sides of the base together, but I just did that, so we can actually start with the poles instead. I think I need C. Yep, it says C right here. Get this side. There. And then I need to get the D pole and put it on the D end right here. There. Now what I gotta do is I've got to grab my bag of pins and take out 2 pins, and with these pins gotta hold this up. I think this is how you do it. Yeah, I think that's good. And then gotta pull this next one up. And then gotta look for the hole. Just right there. There. Nice. So now, what's the next step? Alright, so I think next we've got to add this. This goes to F, which is right here. There. That's all in there good. And then E goes to the E pole right here. There. Alright. So now that I can do that, I've probably got to move the camera up, and then we can attach the body and waist. Alright, so I got the dress on. Getting this dress on was terrible. It was so difficult and so specific. That might just be me being bad at setting up props. But yeah, anyways, the next part is to put on the head. And there should be a little hole inside of the neck. Yeah. Alright. And just gotta there. Alright. Great. Alright. Here. I just toss these wires in. Wires through here. Alright. This thing has so much clothes, I'm a bit worried that the mech could get caught with the clothes. So yeah. And yeah, I think that's just about good. Alright, well, I'll adjust this all a lot later off the camera. But yeah, I think the next part to do is put on the awesome arms and hands. This is gonna look so cool once I add these. Alright, so gonna do the one on right here first. Okay. This part. No, not like that. I'm gonna put one like this, I think. Phew, alright. Oh, good. Oh, that looks awesome. Just some of this. Make it look a bit creepier. And then I just gotta do the same thing with the other one. I feel like this one has a lot more cloth on it than the other one. But that might just be me. So, yeah. Oh, this looks so cool. These hands are probably my favorite part about the prop. Because they're just so huge and so menacing, like... Yeah. Alright, now. Where is this lock? Alright, I think I got it on now. And soon enough, once I wire it all together, we can do a demo. Alright, so Darling Dolly is so creepy and so cool. She looks so good and her scare is so effective. The way she just drops down to your eye level is just, oh, it's so amazing. And her head shoots out too. Her animation is just so good. However, her face does get covered by her hair pretty easily, so you will probably need to put hairspray or something in there. And also, the fingers on here are also like very wired together too. So if you want to have it like spread out and have her hands look enormous, it's gonna be a bit difficult. But yeah, other than that, she's absolutely amazing and so creepy. Yeah. Anyways, bye.